Hello friends and welcome back to another video. In this video I am going to tell you about message boxes. So message boxes provide us information or take decisions from us. So to make a message box we have to firstly import Tkinter. So I will write from Tkinter import star and from Tkinter import message box. And after that I will create a simple window by writing root equals capital T K and empty parentheses, and leaving some lines. I will write root dot main loop empty parentheses. Now in this window we can create our message boxes, and there are many types of message boxes like ask, okay, cancel. What it will do is it will simply ask okay or cancel. So I will write here MessageBox dot ask okay cancel empty parenthesis, and when I run the code you can see here alert, and there are two options which are okay and cancel. But if I press any button it will not give any response. So for that I will make a variable and I will name it response. So response equals MessageBox dot ask okay cancel. Whatever will be the response from this message box will be equal to our variable. Now if I write here print and in the empty parentheses response, whenever I choose any response from the message box will be printed out in our console. Let's try. Run the code and you can see a message box has appeared. Now I will select cancel, and in the console you can see here it is written false. So that means our program is working fine. We can also create a label for our response. Remember, I have told you this in my previous videos. So I will write label and in the empty parentheses text equals response. Let's make the font larger. Font equals Calibri, comma, let's say 40. And now it's time to pack our label in the window. Now let's run the code. You can see message box appears. Let's select a response, and here you can see that the value of the response is 1. But if I run it again and select cancel, you can see here that the response value is 0. Now let's select another type of message box. Let it be ask question. Now you can see that the options are changed, which are yes or no. If I select no, the no is printed in the label, and if I select yes, yes is printed in label. There are many other types of message boxes that you can try. So don't forget to subscribe guys. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you again in the next video.